Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to secant of x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of secant of x, you got about secant of x tan x dx. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so we put number 0 on here. So u equals to number 1. When x equals to b over 4, so we put b over 4 on here. So u equals to the square root of number 2. So number 0 we change by number 1. This one we change by the square root of number 2. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 2 sine t, because if I put this one on here, we have 4 sine t square, number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Du we have 2 cosine t dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When when u equals to number 1, so we put number 1 on here, and later that we divide both sides by number 2 to find the value of t. So t equals to b over 6. When u equals to the square root of number 2, so we put the square root of number 2 in here. Later that we divide both sides by number 2 to find the value of t. So t equals to b over 4. So number 1 we change by this one. The square root of number 2 we change by this one. U we change by this one. Du we change by this one. This one we have 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of 4 cosine t square, we have 2 cosine t. We need to simplify on numerator and denominator. You got about dt. The integration of dt, we have t, and then we put the bounds from b over 6 to b over 4. And now we have the final answer. This one you got B over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.